So there you go, the transmission's already in. It's kind of a tedious work. You definitely need two hands to install these nuts here and these bolts, these button head screws. I went ahead and put in the set screw for the transfer case and tightened up the transmission support screws as well. So far that's step up to step number 29. Now for step 30, it wants you to attach the drive shaft system. So these are the stock drive shaft. Let me go ahead and show you them. These are the stock ones. They come with like a metal yoke at the end, some like 6-star pattern for the drive shaft, and of course the metal yokes. But since I said, and I've repeated myself on this build, that I'm using a brushless setup and it's going to be a powerful one, we went ahead and got the Punisher shafts, scale steel Punisher shaft. So let's go ahead and open them and let's install them. Let's first see what's inside the contents. Of course, you have your two little set screws. They come included in the kit, and the shaft itself. Okay, look at that. And this one's hardened steel. You can see that looks nice. So let's go ahead and turn the truck upside down. Set screw, of course, and the Punisher shaft itself. Okay, so let's get this ready. Grab your 1.5, add some Loctite to it, and we're gonna go ahead and attach them. Let's get them started, and then let's go ahead and put one side in. Gotta find that hole. If we can find that hole. Loctite the rear. So that's in there. Let's turn it around and install the front. We're using the aftermarket set screws. They're shorter. You could use your stock ones. They're the M3 set screw, and it's gonna pretty much be almost the same length as this. So let's install this one here. We can push it through. It's having a hard time going through. So for the front one, for this output shaft, I had to actually grind down that output from the transfer case because it didn't want to fit in at all. So I went ahead and just grind it up a little, put a dab of Loctite, and it fit in right quick. So let's go ahead and put that one in. do the same. Some Loctite. And that completes step 31. The drive shafts. Everything's moving good and freely. So there you have up to step 31. Now step 32 goes into mounting the servo and the steering linkage. So we shall go ahead and do that.